Good morning, Marcel, living in Russia. After doing all the insulation yesterday, so today's cleanup. Air out my clothes. I'm actually gonna try and wash it in the snow. But right now I'm going to feed all the birds because they look like they want to eat, and I've got lots of little bit of mixture of seeds, sunflower seeds and bread to give to them in their feeders. And they're very active. So let's give them food this morning. Good in that one. Go do the second one. It's not so cold this morning. I think the deep cold is past. I might get some more, but there we go. I got my trails to get to my bird feeders. They'll be back in a few minutes. So I did the insulation yesterday on the second floor there, and what I did notice is immediately there's like a kind of a coldness that seems to be gone, that I guess was drifting from the top down through. I mean, it hadn't made a big difference, but definitely I noticed some kind of difference. We'll see. I don't see anybody fishing today. Tree's looking good as usual. Birds are fed. Now I gotta clean my clothes. And then I just will go tidy up upstairs, and that's my day, and learn some Russian language. Pretty quiet day. Gonna keep it physically light because yesterday was pretty hard work. You have a good day.